What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing today? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, please go ahead and smash it, the subscribe button for me, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right, guys, for everybody else, welcome back. All right, I'm back with a quick review on one of my favorite programs, M.A.P, My Automatic Pay. This system right here is an all-in-one system that allows you to make unlimited $247 instant commissions like clockwork. Okay, it's one of the simplest programs out here, guys. This is affiliate marketing. Okay, so you're promoting other people's products. Okay, and then you earn a commission. That's what affiliate marketing is. This system right here has built-in M.A.P bonuses. Okay, this is one of the newer pages that they've created. This is a VSL page, which is a video sales page right here. Okay, it has this video right here that's going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, so you don't have to go out and explain this stuff. Don't try to explain this to people. Just send them straight to your capture page. If this is somebody you're referring to that you may know, send them to your capture page and then let the system do the selling and telling. Okay, they have the done for you system here: capture page, video sales page, built-in follow-up, auto recruiting to make your life easier. The link is in the description, so please go check this out: www.besteasyworkincome.com. Bonus 1, complete sales funnel. Okay, easy to set up. We'll go through that real quick in a minute. I'll show you the back office. Bonus 2, full autoresponder included. Built in. The more they hear from you, the more money you make. Okay, so you don't have to create the autoresponder. It's already built into the system. Okay, bonus number 3, the big one: no monthly fees with this. I know a lot of people love to hear that. No monthly fees. Okay, so they figured out a way to make this happen for you, and you receive these unlimited payments. So what do we have here? Free members area, free autoresponder, no monthly system charges, done for you traffic. So they give you the traffic sources where to get targeted people. Okay, they include an 800 number. You can make unlimited $247 commissions. And the greatest thing about it is that you get paid any way you want, guys. I can accept debit card payments, credit card payments, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, cash. It's your business. Okay, so you just specify that in your profile. Then they have also a robust tracking interface so you can keep tabs on everything. Your back office, so you can see all the leads that have come in, the names and emails of your folks that have come in. All that is included in this one and done system. Okay, did I mention it's very newbie friendly, by the way? Okay, so we're still on this sales page. Okay, here's another video. This is what your prospects are going to see. Okay, then they've added some results of just a few of the members. A few of us are on this page, just a few screenshots. Okay, there's tons and tons and tons and tons of this stuff. Okay, so we've shown proof. Then, of course, I've shown you proof of payments that have come in that I've made with the system. So this is the real deal. Okay, now this is digital marketing, guys. So this includes your digital marketing tools that you're going to get. The M.A.P digital marketing tool. This one right here is a great little tool. You definitely need to go check this out. I've gotten a lot of little gems out of this tool. Okay, the traffic generator, list building solutions, create your own job. Okay, these are just some of the tools in here. Winning webinars, 1K subscribers in 30 days, brain manipulation 101, direct response secrets, and more. All right, now the compensation plan is very simple. Okay, this is member to member direct sales. Okay, this is direct sales. It has a 1-up comp plan. Okay, so you get started. Your very first sale, you keep that sale. It's $247. Cha-ching. Okay, Your second sale, you're going to pass up to your sponsor. Everybody does this. This is what gives us leverage in the program to earn these passive pass-ups, okay, at a whim. You never know when they're going to come in. Okay, the third sale to infinity, you're going to keep all those. Okay, so you get your money back, guys, on that first sale, pretty much. This system is $247. Okay, goes to the person that referred you. $33 goes to the company, so a total of $280. You're all in, and it's just one level with this one. I know a lot of you guys don't like the levels. You just want one level. Where here it is, M.A.P. Okay, so you don't have to worry about level 2, 3, 4, and all the different products with the different comp plans. Just one. Okay, so if that interests you, M.A.P is for you. Then what I also love about this is I know who the owner is, and the owner is accessible. I have his phone number. I've spoken to him several times. Nice guy. Okay, and he's very involved in this. He didn't just create it and walked away. He's very involved. He's hands-on with this. He can tell you when someone's paid $33. I've received plenty times a text message or an email to say, hey, somebody just paid me $33. Your $247 is probably on the way. Okay, he's very hands-on, so that's a great plus. Okay, because a lot of these programs, we don't know who's behind the program. We don't know who owns it, which is fine, but it's great to know who the owner is too. Okay, so that's the comp plan. It's just that simple. That's it. Okay, direct sales. Now, in essence, you're going to earn $494 per person, because remember, you're going to get paid $247. Okay, your first sale from that person, then that second sale passes up from that same person. Okay, so $494 you're gonna get. All right, so definitely check this program out. Link is in the description. Give it a shot. Go take a look. I mean, look at all the stuff that you get. A lot of times when you see programs like this or pages like this that has a bonus, we as affiliates have to go and create all this extra stuff and do funnels and capture pages to add our special bonuses, right? They've included the bonuses here. Now, of course, I have some extra stuff, but I don't have to go out and create all these great pages, additional pages. It's all right here. One-page presentation, okay? One and done. So $280, you're all in, guys, okay? So I think this is a great, simple, newbie-friendly, non-complicated direct sales program. Okay, let's go take a look at the back office really quick here. Now, when you get started, you're going to log in. Okay, first of all, you're going to receive an email from me welcoming you aboard, and I have to mark you paid. You can't get access until I mark you paid. Okay, so that's the great thing. You have to mark your folks paid. But guess what? You can operate this business right from your smartphone. Okay, all you have to do is log in. You see the person's name, click a button, mark them paid. They're in. They get full access. So once you log in, you definitely want to follow these steps right here. Definitely 1 through 3. Activate your account. Activate your website. Get paid. This is how you're going to tell the system how you want to receive your payments. Then the third thing is get traffic. That's it. And you're going to do number 3 over and over and over and over. Okay? Once you set up the system, it's ready to roll. Now you just got to get people to it, right? So your job is number 3 all day, every day. Okay? That's your job. Okay? And then the system will sift and sort. Okay? It will weed the people out that's not interested. The people that are interested, you'll be able to know, because in your back office, there's a point system. You'll see who's really opening the emails from the system, looking at the videos and things of that nature. So you'll know who's really interested. So it has analytics here for you to check out. All right. So we click here. Let's check this out. Activate your account. You just click there, right? It's already here. Right here, this one.
Hey, it's Victoria in the M.A.P members area, and welcome.
Okay. Number 2.
Hey, it's Jerry. Let's activate your website.
Okay, so you got step by step hand holding on activating this thing. So you don't have to worry about, well, I'm not technical. Just watch the video. Step 3.
Hey, it's James in London. Let's get you some traffic.
You see this? Very simple, okay? The system is holding your hand to walk you through this. Very easy breezy. Now, when you go there and you click products, right? When you click products, hang on, skip that step. You click products right here, right? All right. Right here, this tool right here. I want you to check this out. Download this. Okay, after you get everything set up, take some time and watch this. Read this, rather. Click this and download it, okay? Let's go over and check it out. This little PDF, okay? The digital marketing tool has a lot of nuggets in it. Go check this out. This will help you not only with M.A.P, but any business opportunity. Home-based business opportunity, making money online business. Check this out, okay? Good little tool, all right? Now, you guys have seen me come on here and show proof payments. Got this payment or post that I've made, 247 has come in, an email I've sent out, etc. But how about you hear it from the owner of the company himself? Check this out.
40, Precious 1482, same with Pandora. Greg over 2000, Jason over 20 minutes, but you get the picture. This program works for anyone, and these are current results, but many of these people are continuing to make money even while I'm showing you this list.
Okay.
It's a program with an automated system that gives you extreme value. In fact, the value you are about to receive has been estimated to be worth 1,157 times more than the offer itself.
All right, guys, so an awesome system. Frank explains it very well. And again, he is hands-on. Okay, he even lists his phone number and everything in the back office. Okay, how many owners you know actually put themselves out there to be contacted? I don't know that many. Okay, and I've been doing affiliate marketing for a long time. Okay, so definitely go check it out, guys. The link is in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Everybody that gets started with me, I'm going to run your first traffic campaign, and then I'm also going to give you guys a few images that you can post on social media or classified websites. Okay, you probably seen me post these different images. I put them together. I'll put your website on them, or I'll just give you the image. Okay, maybe you want to put your name or something on them so it ties back to you. Okay, but I'll make you a few of those up, and we'll get some traffic going to your page. Real quick though, before I go, let's look at a few of the capture pages real quick too. Hang on. Here's one of the capture pages. Okay, so we're going to drive traffic. Traffic is targeted people, okay, that's interested in actually making money online. Okay, so this is one of the pages. You decide which page you want to use, but this is one. Let me show you the other ones. Here's one of the newer ones. I like this one right here. Okay, it's different. This is the one I'm using right now. I really like this one because it actually fits what's going on in the economy right now. Check it out.
The economy is a mess. Gas prices have never been higher. Inflation is affecting everyone except us because we have a recession-proof business.
Okay, so this is the one I'm using. When you go to that link, www.besteasyworkincome.com, you're going to get this one right here. Okay, so go check this thing out, guys. If you're ready to get started with me in M.A.P, click the link. Reach out to me. Love to talk to you. Answer all your questions. I offer one-on-one ongoing support as well. I'm going to be here and I'm accessible, okay, even after you join, okay? Look forward to working with you guys. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.